This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're assembling the Santa Bouquet pop-up card. So I've got all my pieces laid out. The first thing you want to do is identify the front and the back of your card. It's these two pieces. And I am going to go ahead and decorate them. So I go ahead and get these together. And I'm just kind of lining up these 2 points with these points here in the drum. I'm going to glue these onto the back. And there will be a panel to add to the back for your message. Okay. And then these pieces fold in. Okay. Now, for this I have already glued the berries on. And I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. And then we have our flowers. So I'm just going to pinch the petals on each layer. And then glue it together and put glue in the center. I'm going to offset my petals. And then put the center in. Whoop. And then glue that down. Okay. And repeat the steps. Now before I glue this one on, I am going to put the pine cone on, and I've already glued these two together. If you wanted to go with a darker color in there to add some dimensional color, I choose to use white, but that is just a taste preference. So you can either put your flower together like I did the first one, separate and then glue it on, or you can assemble it right on here like I'm doing this one. And then glue in your center. And I hadn't already done this, and I want it behind. You don't have to use this piece if you don't want to. It doesn't add a whole lot. I think if I was designing it now, I would probably exclude it, to be honest. Okay, so there is the back piece, and then the front of this one is our Santa. And I've put my berries on. I think there's more in this file than you really need because the Santa head covers most of the berries. So if you wind up with extra berries and you're wondering why, that's why. Because they really weren't needed. I mean, they just disappeared behind the Santa. So now let's start assembling our Santa. And you want to glue this piece behind for the eyes. Okay. His mustache fits right in there on his face, just like that. And then his nose. His eyebrows I'm going to wait to put on because they're going to go over the hat. And the hat, I think, I want to pop up. Okay. There we are. And then his face is just gonna slide right in there like this. Be mindful that you don't slide his eyes up under the brim of his hat completely, but you do. And then his eyebrows, I'm going to put right on the edge of the brim, just like that. There. And then just glue this onto the base. Okay, so there's the front and the back. Now let's pull this back in and take a look at this piece. So this piece, this short tab, what we're going to do is we're going to fold these pieces over, zigzag them back and forth, and we're just going to glue these all together. This is our lever that opens and closes the card. So we need this piece to be a little more sturdy to handle the pressure of opening and closing the card. And then there are score lines here all the way across. And so these, it doesn't matter which way you fold them. This is just folded back and forth. This is the center, okay? And then you're going to come here to this first score line out this way and fold it down and then back and back. And we're making a little spring here, okay? We're going to do the same thing on this side. And now you can see that this just folds right around to the back, and then we're going to connect it here with this tab. Okay, and now this kind of bounces open and close, okay? This side here with the tab connected to it, this is the back of the card, the back of the mechanism, and this is the front. So we're going to take the front of the card because it has a lower dip. We're going to put glue just within these two score lines, and you're going to glue it. Just eyeball it right in the center. You want enough room for your tabs here on the side, and you don't want your lever to be hanging down below. But as you can see, we are only gluing this center in because we don't want to affect the dimension when this curves, okay? So now we are going to put glue on these tabs. And put glue here in the center. Do not glue your lever down or your card won't pop open. And I'm just lining up one side first, and then I'll come around, line up the other side. Got it too high. And I got this too high. So let me redo that because I'm going to line it bottom to top. There we go. Much better. I'm going to make sure my sides and my center are connected. And then what you do is you push this lever up and that opens your card. Okay. You do need to give this time to dry. And then we're going to take our pieces. We're going to insert this one in the back and insert this one in the front. Then when we pop it open, there is our Santa Bouquet pop-up card. Thank you for joining me.